how you replace the right beam or left beam lamp change. This is a 2022 Vito. As you can see, the lamp we have to replace under the tire, as you can see here. So this is a sliding panel, so you need to slide up, up here. Then you can see this panel coming down, and then see this is a ring cover, so you need to twist like left side, as you can see here, left side. So make anti-clock, then it's come out. So as you can see, the bulb is there, high beam. Just what you do, just anti-clock, that is all there. Just anti-clock like this. This anti-clock, and then this you see all is coming out. Yeah, you can just replace the bulb with here. Buy from Mercedes. And then this is the original lamp. Then after, just pull the bulb out, just push out. Yeah, that's it. As you can see, this is the old lamp. Yeah, just push out. Then after, put it back. Save. Let's go clockwise. Okay, stick anti-clock and then tick. Yeah. So let me check if it's working or not. So that is a high beam lamp here. Let me on my wire. As you can see, it's working now. Yeah. So and now put the cord back again. Back. And just press. Okay. And then push down. That's it. As you can see. And same thing is left side here. So my only right side is problem. So that's why I said just share with you that video. As you can see here, under the tire, then just replace the lamp. Okay, thank you very much. I say I got some difficulties, so this I share the video with you. Okay, thank you, bye.